Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Pride theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. So click on that and you need to update your Messenger application. Once you update, you need to go back and you need to open Messenger application. So once you open Messenger application, you simply need to select any conversation with any of your friend. So I'm going to select the first one, click on the person name and click on theme. So once you are here you can see Pride. So select that, click on select again, and now you can see that Pride theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process that you need to follow to update the Pride theme in Facebook Messenger. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.